Pasadena teachers are encouraged to have 6 types of workstations or learning stations as part of their math workshop. Let's take a quick look at each type of learning station. If you think about a typical school, for most students, it has been about a year since they have had explicit instruction on each concept. For example, if the geometry concept unit for 3rd grade is being taught this December, keep in mind that the geometry concept unit in 2nd grade might have been taught last December or November. Let's help our students activate their schema and start reviewing those previously learned concepts during workstations. For example, let's say a 2nd grade teacher is going to start teaching time to the minute during the next 2 weeks. Why not have a workstation about telling time to the hour and half hour, a 1st grade standard, before that instruction begins in 2nd grade? Not all standards, skills, and strategies can be reviewed or remediated with the teacher. However, students still need practice and spiral review. Let's take instructional activities from small group and whole group instruction and place them in workstations. Some adaptations might be necessary to support students as they work independently or with a partner. And all necessary materials, instructions, manipulatives, anchor charts, sentence stems, and recording sheets will need to be readily available for students. Math learning stations provide the opportunity for students to work on problem solving and operations. Students can practice using manipulatives and materials that they have previously used with the teacher to model addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Students can use individual problem-solving model templates, laminated or in sheet protectors, to practice analyzing, planning, solving, and justifying and evaluating how to solve a word problem. This is also a great time for students to work with a partner and use a problem-solving model together. Vocabulary stations are a great way for students to use a math word bank, a word wall, or sentence stems while playing a game or completing tasks that emphasize important concept unit vocabulary. Numbersense workstations contain activities that kindergarten and 1st grade students can complete that focus on representing and composing numbers in various ways. Backfluency workstations provide time for students to play games or complete tasks for focusing on addition, subtraction, multiplication, and/or division, facts, computation, and mental math. This does not mean students are completing worksheets of basic facts, but rather taking part in activities that prompt them to use their strategies to practice their facts and gain automaticity. During a technology station, students can practice using templates from our Mathematicians toolbox. All teachers have to do is place them under the document camera, and then students can practice a skill or strategy using the templates. Students can also take turns being the teacher and use pages from our flip charts to take turns teaching strategies and concepts to a small group of their peers or maybe with a partner. Students can also play games and use virtual manipulatives from our Weebly. And students also have the opportunity to log on to Dreambox and complete lessons that are aligned to the standards and that use virtual manipulatives. Math learning station organization can look very different, and it depends on what makes the most sense to each teacher. We do encourage teachers to have all 6 types of workstations, though not all 6 types of stations have to take place every day. There could be days when only 3 types of stations are available to students to rotate through. When selecting or creating an activity, just think to yourself, 1. Is it aligned to the standards? And 2. Which type of workstation does it represent? Learning stations can be organized by concept, topic, or TEKS, and All the necessary materials and supplies should be accessible to students. Students need to know exactly what the teacher's expectations are and the procedures to going to a learning station or picking up a learning station.